In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Google Sites website to your computer. To do this, we'll use Google Takeout, which is Google's built-in tool for downloading a copy of your data. This is a helpful option if you want to keep a backup of your site files on your computer or save your content for reference later. Start by opening Google Takeout in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll usually see a long list of Google services already selected by default. Since we only want the files related to your site, the first thing to do is click Deselect All. This clears every pre-selected service so you can choose only what you need, which makes the export cleaner and easier to manage. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Drive, then check the box next to it. Google Sites content is commonly tied to Google Drive data, so this is the service you'll want to include for the export. After that, click on All Drive Data Included. This opens the options for what part of your Drive data will be exported. Review the selection shown there, then click OK to confirm and return to the main export page. This step is important because it verifies what Drive content will be part of the download. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. This takes you to the export settings screen where Google prepares the download process for you. On the next page, click Create Export. Once you do that, Google will begin preparing your archive. Depending on how much data is associated with your drive, this may take anywhere from a few moments to much longer. In some cases, Google may notify you when the export is ready. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the export to be generated. When it becomes available, you'll be able to download it to your computer and store it locally. If you're doing this as a backup, it's a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder first, and then move it into a dedicated backup folder afterward so it stays organized. And that's it. By using Google Takeout, you can export the relevant Google Drive data connected to your Google Sites content and keep a copy on your computer. If you're following along, just take your time on each screen and make sure Drive is the only item selected before creating the export.